Clunking when you drive? Don't ignore this sound. Look under your car. See that tube in that box? That's your drive shaft and differential. Let's inspect. Rust, oil, or cracks. That means trouble. Clean it and fix seals before it's too late. Try moving the shaft. Too much play? Your U-joints may be failing, and that's the clunk you're hearing. Check the fluid in your differential. If it's dark or gritty, change it as soon as possible. Whine during turns? Vibration while driving? It's time to give your drivetrain some love. Follow for more fast car fixes and drive smooth every time.